Want to remove a Microsoft Loop page quickly and safely? Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your preferred browser, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you like, and search for Microsoft Loop. Click the official Microsoft site and sign in with your account credentials. This keeps all your projects secure and synced across devices. Once you're signed in, navigate to the loop page you want to delete. Double check that it's the correct page to avoid removing anything important. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. This is the More menu. Click it and from the drop-down select Delete Page. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you are certain. Review it carefully because deletion may be irreversible. Once confirmed, your page will be removed from Microsoft Loop, keeping your workspace clean and organized. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a Microsoft Loop page. Like, comment and subscribe for more quick, easy guides to manage your digital workspace efficiently.